Good morning students and Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher Miss Hifza from TKS Senior Branch. Today's quote is, successful people always have two things on their lips: silence, smile. Okay students, now today we are starting the written work, so open your copies all of you. Words meaning. Okay, for those students I am explaining who they were absent in previous classes, but you have to leave 3 pages, okay? Number 1 page for course content, number 2 for handwriting pattern, and number 3rd page for lesson summary. And from the 4th page we are doing words meaning. Arrange your page, write down the date, classwork, Friday, and draw a margin line. Write down very proper, neat and clean. Yes, I am waiting for everyone. Write down very proper work. Okay, yes, with the marker. Then with the marker, write down words meaning. W will be capital and M is also capital. WORDS words. MEANING meaning. Words meaning. Words meaning. Okay, done. Okay, with your ink pen, now write down the first word. Number first word is library. Number first word is library. 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 Number first word is library. Library. Library meaning is a room where books are kept. A room. 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 Where? WHERE. Where? WHERE. Where? Books. 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 A room where books are kept. 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 A room where books are kept. A room where books are kept. लाइब्रेरी का क्या मतलब है? वो जगह जहाँ पर किताबें रखते हैं. ठीक है, आप लोगों को लाइब्रेरी को तो पता होगा, जैसे आपके स्कूल में भी है जहाँ पर बहुत सारी बुक्स होती हैं. आपका लाइब्रेरी का पीरियड भी होता है जिसमें हम जो है मॉरल स्टोरीज वगैरह भी पढ़ते हैं. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू हैव डन. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर एवरीवन. Number 2 is curiously, eagerly. Curiously, eagerly. CURIOUSLY. 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 Curiously mean eagerly. 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 Curiously, eagerly. Curiously, eagerly. Done. Curiously, eagerly. Okay, I am waiting for everyone. But you have to do very proper, neat and clean work. Okay. Okay, now number 3 is chuckling. Laugh quietly. Chuckling. Write down the word chuckling. 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 Chuckling means laugh quietly. Write down the meaning. Laugh quietly. LAUGH. 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 Quietly. 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 ठीक है, chuckling, laugh quietly. ठीक है, वो हमें एकदम से हंसी आ जाती है, हम छुप छुप के जो हंस नहीं हो रहे होते फेस पर, माउथ पर हाथ रख के, उसको हम chuckling कहते हैं. laugh quietly. Chuckling, laugh quietly. Write down very proper work. Again I am telling you, बच्चे, the work should be very proper, neat and clean. Yes, I am waiting for everyone. Done? Raise your hand, those who have done. Okay, I am waiting for you. Chuckling, laugh quietly. Chuckling, laugh quietly. Number 4 is imagination. Imagination, yes, ability to form mental images of things. Write down the word imagination. 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 Ability. 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 Ability to. TO2. 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 Ability to. FORM. 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 Ability to form mental, 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 mental. Images, 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 mental images. Of, mental images of, images, images, of things. things, things. ठीक है, इमेजिनेशन की क्या मतलब है? एबिलिटी टू फॉर्म मेंटल इमेजेस ऑफ थिंग्स, ठीक है, जो आप सोचते हो, ठीक है, कभी कभी आप सोचते हो जैसे बड़ी ईद आने वाली है तो आप सोच रहे हो तो मैं इस कलर की काऊ लूँगा, देन हम उसको साथ जो है खेलेंगे, तो ये आपकी क्या है, ये इमेजिनेशन होती है आपकी, आप जो सोचते हो कि जो है इस तरह होगा वैसा होगा, ठीक है, जो इमेजेस आपके माइंड में आ रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, इमेजिनेशन। डन। नंबर 5 इज स्ट्रेंज, STRANGE, 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 strange. Strange means surprising. Strange means surprising. Strange, 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 strange. Strange. What is the meaning of strange? Surprising. Write down the meaning of surprising. surprising, surprising. Strange, surprising, ठीक है, हैरान हो जाना, शॉक हो जाना, ठीक है, आपको कुछ ऐसा चीज़ जो आपको उम्मीद ना हो और अचानक आपको मिल जाए या आप सुन लो या देख लो तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, सरप्राइज. Write down very proper, neat and clean. Then you have to draw the finishing line also. Okay students, I am revising once again. Check your work, especially spellings, words, meaning. Number 1 is library, a room where books are kept. Number 2, curiously, eagerly. Number 3 is chuckling, laugh quietly. Chuckling, laugh quietly. Number 4 is imagination. Number 4 is imagination. Ability to form mental images of things. Ability to form mental images of things. Number 5 is strange. Surprising. Strange means surprising. Strange means surprising. Okay, students, this is enough for today. And बच्चे, those students who haven't completed their previous work, I will send you the picture in the group. You have to complete your course content, handwriting pattern, and also lesson summary. Okay, same as you have to arrange your page proper, date, day, classwork, draw the margin line, and then you have to start your work. Okay, inshallah in the next class I will check your work, it should be completed. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.